The ligaments and the wear and tear that I've had over a lifespan of 58 years, playing professional ball for 18 years, it's a great option to have rather than having surgeries. As many surgeries as I've had, 4 on my shoulder, 2 on my left knee, 1 on my right knee, it's going to help any former athlete of any sort, and not just baseball, but any athlete, somebody that is, active and putting some wear and tear on their bodies. I can see a runner with their knees, as much running as some of these runners do. People like to stay active, and if you want to stay active and you have aches and pains, so regenerative medicine would be my first choice.
I was lucky enough to be a part of a Super Bowl winning team with the Giants my second year in the league, Super Bowl 46. 7 minutes to go to the game, and I was running a route, 12-yard in cut. My foot got stuck in the turf, and I actually tore my ACL. My football career was never the same. It ended up being the reason I retired from football. I don't want to be living with knee pain the rest of my life. The procedure was fast, painless, very easy, stopped in. It only took about 15 minutes, and now I'm on my way to help my life.
Everything that has power in it, the punch, the snap, starts from your legs, because your legs are twice as strong as your arms anyway. What people don't understand is, even sometimes when I wasn't fighting, I still had to jog every day in training. And in my early days, some days we jogged up between 8 and 10 miles a day. This was 7 days a week. After so many miles on your legs, you have to have wear and tear. If you can stop the ligaments that support the knees to be bone on bone, wow, for my legs to be like I was 25 or 30 again, with the knowledge I have, oh my gosh, can you imagine what I would be? Impossible to stop me.